I have been so excited to try this, so big thank you to the team for very kindly reaching out to us to send this to us to try. This is a 4-in-1 smart fingerprint padlock, and honestly it might be one of the most convenient little gadgets you'll ever own. So this tiny padlock actually unlocks 4 different ways: fingerprints, passcode, Bluetooth app, and even the Apple Watch. So there's no more hunting around for keys, no more forgetting combinations or sharing them with someone who also needs to unlock it. You can literally just tap it and it opens in about 0.2 seconds. You can store up to 20 fingerprints, which is absolutely amazing if you share a gym locker, a toolbox, a storage area, maybe like a shed or a garage. But also you can connect it to the free app so you can actually see who's unlocked it and when. You can also manage those fingerprints through the app and even share temporary or long-term access with someone else. This is a premium feel smart home device. It has a rechargeable battery which gives you around 6 months of standby time or about 2,000 unlocks. But let's talk about durability. This is a tough lock. It is made from alloy steel and zinc. It's pry resistant and really sturdy. It's also water resistant with a rubber port cover, but just don't submerge it. It's small and lightweight, so you can literally use it anywhere. Personally, I'm going to use it on my gym locker. I think it's just going to be a deterrent in itself, let alone be an absolutely amazing lock. You can also use it for a school locker, storage boxes, suitcases, cabinets, toolboxes, travel bags. If you're someone who loses their keys or worries about losing your keys, this is going to be a really good option. It's going to be super helpful, reassuring. It's going to be really giftable as well. So if you know someone that's maybe going on their travels and wants to take a padlock but is a bit concerned about losing keys, this is going to be a really good option. So if you want to use a bit of smart tech around your home and on the go, this is a really good choice.